loves, welcome back to the channel. I'm Valentine and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, today we're making this fancy smashy little flower arrangements. You guys, I'm so sorry I have not had time to upload videos. You guys, I've been working, but I'm gonna show y'all these little arrangements that I made with these flower heart boxes I got from Target, not last year but the year before, you guys. So yeah, I'm using this wet floral foam that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I am going ahead and just placing them inside. I see some people cut them, but I was just like, this is really soft enough just to push it down and it will create its shape itself. And so I just put all the excess in the inside because I don't want to waste any of this foam. It is not cheap in Michael's. However, yeah, so I'm just going ahead and putting it up against the box. And you guys, I was showing you in the beginning, make sure you cover up your price tag, because these price tags on these boxes are not able to be pulled off. They have to be covered up because it's printed directly on the flower box. So once again, I did get those from Target, and that was a couple years ago, so I really don't know if they have them now. But you can find these boxes probably online somewhere. So I'm just using my little pool noodle cutter from Dollar Tree to cut up the foam left over and smashing that down. So next, you guys, you're going to put in a mixture of your flower food if you have it and water, because you want the roses to actually be able to survive this arrangement. You don't want them to die, you know, inside of the foam. So then I'm taking some fresh roses, which weren't so fresh, but this is good as we could get right now, just to make my displays. That's what this was really about. This wasn't for a customer, this was to create displays, and I haven't got my shipment of roses yet, so I went ahead and grabbed some from my local, what was it, Walmart or what have you. So if you want to try this out, you can do it that way. So yeah, I went ahead and made a heart and just followed the box, you guys. And then I found these at Walmart, these little foam, I think they're just like little decorations, but this worked out perfectly so that I can have something to put in the middle, so that I'll have something to put the chocolate on. And so I just stick it in there. I didn't secure it or anything like that. I just put it underneath the roses and fit it in. And that's a little foam. It's a piece of foam. And for the sake of this video, I literally just put tape down, because like I said, this is not an arrangement for a customer. It was only for photo purposes to have something to advertise. So I used my tape, I doubled it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just put the chocolate right on top of there. In a case where this would be an order for a customer, I would probably hot glue it, the candy to the bottom, just so that it's super secure. You don't know, people are in transit, they're driving with these things and whatever. You just want to make sure that it's secure. So now I'm just basically following the heart and putting these candies on the inside. You can use any candy you want. I literally just used this candy because this was so trendy for Valentine's, and people just like the look of it because it does look elegant and they do look nice inside. But yeah, any candy you want to put in there that will fit in there, that's what you can use. And this is what the arrangement looks like, you guys. I think it's super beautiful. I wish that the flowers were more fresh, but this is exactly what I could find. So I was thinking to myself, how would I package this for people? So what I would probably do is leave the flower arrangement open until the customer is on their way to come get it. And I would literally wrap it up like this and use the excess to make a packaging to make some packaging for it, because I wouldn't want to put a box on top of it. I wouldn't want to, you know, smush the flowers down. So this would be a good way to just wrap it up just before they come, and then they can reopen it right away so that the flowers can actually breathe. You can actually even make this with artificial flowers if you want to. So this is what the arrangement looks like, you guys. I'll probably be making more of these because I have 20 of these boxes to use for this Valentine's Day. But I did want to share this with you guys. So leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, and a comment down below. And you florists, tell me what you think. Tell me what to change. I'm not a florist at all. So yeah, until next time, stay crafty.